Here is a VC V6 Plus and Elite Ultra comparison review. Vseebox V6 Plus Android 4.0 TV has a 4 GB plus 64 GB Vseebox review, while Elite Ultra has a elevated benefits, and this is more focused on a headset type of style of a device, which actually more higher price before the V6. Now here is a table for a concise comparison between the V6 and these one with the headset type. So let's go ahead and start first with the feature of operating system. V6 Plus has a Android 4.0, which is the newest, and then Elite Ultra has a 12.0. For the storage, V6 Plus has 64 GB, while the Elite Ultra has 128 GB. For the RAM, as you can see, they just the same. For video resolution, V6 has 8K Ultra HDR, while Elite Ultra has only DDR4 or 4 GB, or make it actually 6K Ultra. For Wi-Fi 6 is for V6 Plus and actually the same for Elite Ultra. And for remote control, V6 Plus is backlit while the Elite Ultra has a standard voice remote. For exclusive features, as you can see, V6 Plus has a new split screen while Elite Ultra has multi-screen. For app library, there is a hit apps for V6 Plus and there are 20 plus additional plus for the Elite Ultra. So if you're looking for more high resolution type, you can go ahead and use V6 Plus. But if you're looking for a just normal price and just a normal device, then you can use Elite Ultra.